Good morning, students. Today, our topic is sentence structure. In this topic, we are going to study what is sentence and sentence structure, importance of it, and variety in sentence structure or kinds of sentences. First of all, what is sentence? A sentence is group of words. That means it is made of phrases and clauses having subject and predicate, and it is able to give complete sense. Here we have two examples of complete sentences. English teacher is taking class. It is one sentence. Students are enjoying this class. It is second sentence. And in this sentence, you may see that there is a subject as well as predicate also. English teacher, subject, is taking class is a predicate. Students, subject, are enjoying this class, predicate. So both sentences having their own subject and predicate are complete in sense. So they are examples of a complete sentence. Now we'll talk about sentence structure. Mainly we have four types of sentence structures: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Why we need variety of structures in sentences? The reason is to make your writing more interesting and give it a distinct voice. You should try to vary your sentences in terms of length and structure, because otherwise our writing would be dull if we use one kind of sentence structure. That is why, to add variety, we need to use different kinds of sentence structures. Now we have two paragraphs here. If you read these two paragraphs, you will see the one paragraph is interesting one and second is not as interesting as the other one. The reason is that in one paragraph, variety of sentence structures have been used, and in the other only one sentence structure has been used. In the first paragraph, only one simple sentence structure has been used, but in second paragraph, there one can notice variety in sentence structures. So mainly we have four types of sentence structures: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. First of all, what is simple sentence? A simple sentence has one independent clause. That means it has subject and predicate only. And it is a mini sentence, is not joined by others. It is one independent clause having its own independence, means it is not dependent any on the other. We have example, I live in San Francisco. It's a one simple sentence because it is not joined by others. Compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two independent clauses that are joined together. She works in city, she lives in suburbs, and both these independent clauses are joined by conjunction but. So in compound sentences we have two independent clauses. They are joined by some compound conjunctions. And mainly we have 7 compound conjunctions. In other words, they are called fanboys, because here F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, and S means so. Now complex sentence. A complex sentence contains at least one independent clause and one dependent clause. John cannot set up his typewriter. It's example of a complex sentence. Compound complex sentences. In compound complex sentences, we have some independent clauses and some of the subordinate clauses. After a year, the first child is born and baby received the name that the doll was given when the bride was married. So you can see in all these sentences, few are independent and few are complex. Thank you. Today we have learned what sentence is and what is importance to add variety in sentence structures and different types of sentence structures. Thank you everyone.